Hey folks, welcome back. In this video we're going to go over 3 worked examples to show you how to do problems involving kinetic energy. Now if you haven't already done so, check out my previous video covering the theory on this topic, and that way you can apply what you learned in that video to this one. So let's get started. Question 1 says a rebellious teen of mass 65 kilograms runs at 4 meters per second away from a police officer after shoplifting a bottle of Buckfast. Calculate the kinetic energy of the teenager. While writing down what we know from the question, we're trying to find the kinetic energy EK. We know the mass of the teenager is 65 kilograms and the speed is 4 meters per second. So writing down our equation for kinetic energy, we have EK equals a half mv squared. Substituting in the numbers gives us a half times 65 times 4 squared. And if you put that into your calculator, you should get an answer of 520 joules. Question 2 says a bowling ball is moving at a speed of 2 meters per second and has a total energy of 10 joules. Calculate the mass of the ball. Well, writing down what we know from the question, this time we're trying to find the mass m. We know the kinetic energy EK is 10 joules and the speed v is 2 meters per second. So writing down our equation for kinetic energy, we have EK equals a half mv squared, and instead of rearranging for the mass m, I'm just going to sub in the numbers first of all. So we have 10 is equal to a half times m times 2 squared, and then if we simplify this right hand side, we have 2 squared, which is 4, and half of 4, which is 2, so that gives us 2m equals 10, or if we divide both sides by 2 there, that gives us m equals 5 kilograms. Lastly, question 3 says a car of 1,200 kilograms has a kinetic energy of 1,176 kilojoules. Find the speed of the car. Well, this time we want to find the speed v. We know the mass m is 1,200 kilograms and the kinetic energy EK is 1,176 kilojoules. But remember, kilo is a prefix, so we want to convert that into just joules. So that gives us 1,176 times 10 to the power of 3 joules. Now writing down our equation for kinetic energy, we have EK equals a half mv squared. And just like in question 2, I'm going to sub in the numbers first rather than rearranging for v. So substituting in the numbers gives us 1,176 times 10 to the power of 3 is equal to a half times 1,200 times v squared. And then we can simplify this right hand side, so a half of 1,200 is going to give us 600, and then we'll have 600 v squared is equal to this value here, and then we can just divide this number by 600 to get v squared first of all, which gives us v squared equals 1,960, and then we need to find the square root of both sides to get v on its own. So doing that, we get v is equal to 44 meters per second. That's all for this video folks, thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, I really appreciate it. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.